you'll need to download PHStat, and you'll need to download PHStat, and to do that, you'll need to go to the website that was listed in your book, which is www.pearsonhigher.com/PHSTAT. And once you go there, you should go to down here, and you want to register for PHStat. So use the link to register, and first time user, so you are going to register your access code, and here we go, and you should have an access code. It should have come with your book, and you'll want to tell them you accept the license agreement. You of course should have read that. I do have an account, so I'm going to put mine in. And I'm going to put in my access code, and that's on the sheet that they gave me, and you have to scratch that off, which of course I have not done. Well, I should have an access code. Let's just figure out where it's at. Anyway, typing these things in is kind of a pain. And anyway, so I have mine. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and type it in. Oops. Okay, and I'm just going to take a second to check that. Left an S off. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to say next, and hopefully something will happen. It is working. If I can do this, I'm going to save my, and it's got all my contact information here already put in, because I already have an account. But if you don't have an account with Pearson, you of course will have to put in your email address and everything. But I'm going to say next, and I'm going to click on print this page, just so that I have a sheet. Hopefully it will come up with my printer, and I'm going to print that. Well, printer is offline. Don't know why that is. I'm going to try one more time. Oh, there we go. It just needed to wake up, I guess. Anyway, so I've printed it now. And I'm going to click on Login Now. And then how to use it. So I'm going to download the file. And I'm going to save it. So the current version. Okay. Credit card. Register. Download PHStat page. Okay, so I'm going to download a zip archive that contains the latest version. Oh, okay, I'm sorry. I downloaded that twice, not the first time I've done that. And I'm going to open this, and it's going to pop up in the download section on my computer, and it will on yours also. I'm going to actually download the file onto, and here it wants to, this is the zips version, so I'm going to use the evaluation version of that. And it should download it to downloads when it's done. Open. I'm going to open. And I'm going to put it on my USB drive because I use it on several different computers. But if you're only using this on one computer, then you're all right. So I'm going to close this up. It should just... I don't think I have a cloud service. I'll just say yes. And so here's the file. And I'm going to unzip to... let's see, where is it trying to put this at? Unzip it to... Downloads. I do not know. Unzip to... Okay, I would still like to put it on my drive, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put it in here. Under teaching. So you just figure out where you want to put it at, and then you should... I'm going to put it in the folder for 605. I'm going to just unzip there. Okay, already has with this one, so I'm going to replace this file. I think I already had this already set up, but anyway. Okay, so I guess that's it. Anyway, so I think it put it in the folder, and I don't see anything else to do there. So I'm going to assume that is okay, and I am going to go and I'm going to look for it under File Explorer just to make sure it really put it where I wanted it put. And here it is. So I'm going to, you just click on this one file to open it up. So I'm hoping it's going to open directly from my personal USB drive. And it opens up into XL. So if you open this first before you open the data file, then it will just invoke this add-in and it'll be there for you to use. And it always is going to give you a security notice. Nothing to worry about. Just click on Enable Macros. And this is the Excel page, opening page. And there you'll see PHStat. When you click on it, you'll see all of the information things that it will do. So PHStat is very, very useful. One of the things you'll probably use is the descriptive statistics. Anyway, that's how to get PHStat up and running. Thank you.